Okay, so this here is the 1500 grit. We can see this here, and it is wet. And what we do now is we go in here in our guide, and we start out here, and with virtually no pressure, we're going to go the entire length over 30 times. And then we flip the knife over and we do 30 on the other side. And we do this 3 times. And then we're going to go to the 3000, 2000 grit, and then 3000. Okay, so this was 30, and now I'm going to re-water the stone. Just for about a second or so. We turn the knife around. We're going to reinsert the stone. Let me just see that the camera is set good. And I did 30 already, so this will be the last batch from 61 to 90 for this side. See, we have to turn the camera a little bit. Yeah, right. And always from the handle, from here to here, the handle to the tip. 2. $30. All right, now we're going to water the stone again. Turn the knife around, and then we can clean the knife off. You can see this is already very, very sharp. And the whole thing is, this, as milder the steel is easier it is actually to sharpen it, but as more material you're actually starting to take off. So when you buy an expensive knife and it has a very hard steel here, then it will be very time consuming. You have to do this a lot of times to get it sharp, or to a mirror polish finish, but it will hold longer than the cheap knives. This knife here costs $6.99 as a replacement knife from the company which makes this. This is now the last batch of 30s on this side, and then I have to do one more on the other side. From 1500, and on this steel I do 60, 90 rotating, so 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30 until I get to 90 in the 1500 quid, 2000 quid, and 3000 quid. And I'm out of 6,000 and 10,000 quid stones. They will come here next week, and then I can actually finish this knife up. But you will see this by the time we're done with 3,000 in a little while. We will be just fine. This knife is going to be razor sharp. Oops. Alright, this side is finished now. This is usually I start with the left handle, or with the hand grip on the left side. And now comes the one, this here is the last one on this side. Another 30. we get all the metal and shaving parts out of it. As wetter the stone is, as better this will work. And it also is helpful if you can remove this. You can see it, it will cut right through the paper towel just immediately. It will just go right through it. The 1,000 and 1,500 quid is the first thing what makes this knife sharp again. And 30. Okay, so that finishes this. Now we can leave this side up and we're gonna go right to the 2,000. That is this one here, the 2,000 quid. Yeah, clean this off. And the same story, 30 times. By 3 on each side. Okay, and here comes the tomato test. There it is. You see it? A resharpened $6.99 knife, and it is probably sharper than it was before. They say the steel here is, I think it's on the other side here. It's a 14118G-7H-8. No stain. It does stain if you're not careful. Have a great evening.